You guys, who's the worst vlogger? You know, I'm sure it's me. Like, I'm really sure it's me. This video, let me just tell you guys, happy new month. I don't know when this video come. Maybe it's already mid-November or, but anyways, happy new month, you guys. I don't have motivation to vlog. I don't know what these guys are doing or banging next to. I just hope it's not getting into this vlog. Anyways, no motivation. The motivation is gone, dead. I don't, you guys, I don't know what's going on. But anyways, this is me vlogging after a whole lot of my friends have been asking me, no video. Anyways, this is me vlogging. I want to go to the public market. I want to just get a few things like tomatoes, chili and onions, stuff like that. So that's why I said start this vlog. And yeah, let me take you guys along. I don't even feel like vlogging outside, but anyways, let's just go and see what happens. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, enjoy the vlog.
They told me that I always had to be good, but being good always been problems is true. So I learn it, and now I know I don't wanna play God. Maybe I'm crazy, but I'm not wrong, baby, it's true, yeah. What if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never love me back,
How much for?
what if I'm not good? What if I'm not good?
This
If
is
you
how
never
much.
love me back, what if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never love me back, what if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never love me back.
I'm back from the market. Let me show you guys all I got. By the way, it's starting to feel a whole lot like Christmas. The sun is out, it's shining, but it's not so hot like it used to be back then in August, July, June, thereabouts. When you go out under the sun, you guys, it will be so freaking hot. But right now it's hot, but not so much, because you can literally feel the breeze like blowing and all that. Anyways, Christmas is close and that's my favorite time of the year. Like, I really love Christmas. I don't know why. Anyways, let me show you guys all I got. So I got tomatoes. You guys saw it. I showed you guys when I was getting it. And I got chili. This chili is like 1 kilo and it's about 120 peso or so. It was up to like 250 a kilo like 2 months back. So since I saw it for 120, I just decided to get a kilo. And then this is some oranges and grapes. I really love grapes, so I just got 2. And the tomatoes. So then here I have ginger, onions. I showed you guys also. Then I bought lemon, and these are plantains. Got plantains also. So let me show you guys the last bag. Okay, I got eggs. These are the eggs I got. I'll show you guys. And then I got all-purpose flour from the market. I got this flour for baking, and then this butter also from the market. So I'm going to be using this ones to bake. So that's literally everything I got from the market, and that's over like, let me see, that's over like 850 pesos. That's like 850 pesos for everything I got here. And then in naira, that's approximately, I'll just say, let's give it 9,000 naira, because the rate now is high. So let's just give it like 9,000 naira for like literally everything I got here. So I don't know which is more expensive, if it's here in the Philippines or Nigeria. Actually, I know for some things it might be cheaper when you buy it in Nigeria, but then for some things it's actually cheaper here in the Philippines. Anyways, see you guys later on in the vlog.
3 days later.
Oh, good morning. Picture? Okay, thank you. So I need to disinfect it. It's coming from a different country, and with the way there's COVID everywhere. Hey guys, good morning. So let me unbox with you guys my order. It's from Shein. And this time it took like a very long time to arrive. I don't know why actually. My friend was starting to say maybe I ordered from a fake site, because all the others I usually place, it doesn't take time and then it arrives immediately. But this one took over like 2 weeks plus, almost 3 weeks actually. And I was wondering why, but then I watched a video from someone and she was also complaining about Shein delivery of recent. So I said, okay, that means it's not just me that experienced that. It's not a haul, and I'm not showing you guys everything I bought. I'll just show you guys few things I bought. What's this? Okay, I know the top that is here. I'll just go off camera to test all of them once I'm done unboxing with you guys. What's this? This is a biker short. Of recent, I'm obsessed with biker shorts. I really hope this is not big. Maybe I should have sized down. Oh my god, I love the quality. It's so good. Anyways, I'll check it. Yeah, earrings, so fine. What is this? I ordered for a lip gloss and a lipstick. I'll check. And I also have to go off because I'm using my phone. I also have to go off to ensure that all my orders are complete, and I need to review them because I need all those points. If you order from Shein, I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. Oh, this is the lipstick. This should be the lip gloss. So I got this lipstick because I have to tell, because I used lip balm. I don't know if you guys noticed it from my last vlog. My lips got burnt. Ever since I was born, I wasn't lucky. Like, I came out as a child and had these dark lips. So of recent, I tried my possible best to like make it go away. My lips was looking all good and all that. So I was literally feeling myself, but all of a sudden my lips just got burnt and it looks like someone that, I don't know, you guys, just oh, this is good. I pray this is gonna help me actually, but this is good. Honestly, I like this. I love the feel of it. These earrings, it's a free gift. Yeah, when I was ordering this, I didn't pay for it, so from my order they asked me to like pick a free gift, and I picked this bag. I don't know what they call it, what top or what bag, t-shirt. But this is it, summer at Shein. So cute. See guys, what is this? I guess this the leggings, and these earrings are so fine. Honestly, you guys, I don't know if you guys can see it clearly. They're so fine. Anyways, I'll see you guys later on in the vlog. Hey loves, I'll be ending the vlog here. I really hope you enjoyed watching this particular vlog. If you did enjoy watching, please don't forget to give this vlog a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.